Introduce highlight features or overview summary of IVJ compressed air duster. Keeping electronics, delicate machinery, and home spaces clean can be challenging, especially when dust and debris accumulate in hard-to-reach areas. The IVJ BL08 electric air duster is designed to tackle these challenges efficiently, combining powerful airflow with compact portability and long-lasting battery life. Engineered for maximum versatility. This rechargeable air duster delivers up to 180,000 RPM in its superstorm mode, ensuring even the most stubborn dust and particles are removed from keyboards, computers, automotive interiors, and other intricate surfaces. Its 4 adjustable speed settings allow users to tailor airflow according to the task, from gentle cleaning of delicate electronics to heavy-duty removal of dirt in automotive detailing or home maintenance. One of the standout features of the IVJ BL08 is its comprehensive accessory kit. It includes 4 multi-purpose nozzles and 9 detail brushes, providing a tailored solution for every cleaning scenario. Whether you need precision cleaning for a sensitive device, inflating objects, or performing deep household cleaning, this versatile tool ensures you have the right attachment at hand. The thoughtful design prioritizes both effectiveness and safety, delivering a consistent dry airflow that prevents damage to electronics or delicate surfaces. Portability and convenience are central to the IVJ BL08's design. Compact in size at just 4.12 x 1.89 x 6.69 inches and weighing only 0.7 pounds, it is easily carried in a bag or stored in small spaces. Dual 5000 mAh batteries provide up to 240 minutes of runtime at low power, while Type-C fast charging completes a full charge in just 2.5 hours. This makes it perfect for on-the-go cleaning, whether at home, in a workshop, or outdoors. Unlike traditional disposable compressed air cans, this air duster is economical and environmentally friendly. Constructed from durable ABS composite material, it is rechargeable and reusable, providing consistent performance over time while reducing waste. With its combination of super cleaning power, versatility, portability, and cost-effectiveness, the IVJ BL08 electric air duster is a practical, reliable solution for professionals, hobbyists, and anyone who values clean, well-maintained electronics and spaces. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.